Is sex wrong? This is part 2. Sex on its own is not wrong. Sex was created for marriage between a man and a woman. Let's go to first from verses 1 through to 2 and 2. Now concerning the things whereof he wrote unto me, it is good for a man not to touch a woman. Nevertheless, to avoid fornication. Fornication means sex out of marriage. Let every man have his own wife, and let every woman have her own husband. Okay? So wife swapping, threesome, you name it, all those things, they are garbage. They are sin. You're sinning against your body and the covenant that God is going to put you in when you're married. If you're hunger for sex, don't use marriage as an alternative, but pray and ask the Lord to give you self-control.